Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I am coming on to do an unboxing for you guys for the Shimmerz Paints Color Kits collections. And guys, I've got pattern paper. I have got die cut / ephemera stickers. I've got dots, sequins, mixed media, all of the things. So let's start with the mixed media goodies. You guys, look at this color palette. All right, our very first one, it's called Well Blue Me Down. It is a colorings, and guys, I didn't, roll these beforehand, but there's this gorgeous pigment in the bottom. So just give it a nice little roll. Don't shake it up because you don't want to get the pigment stuck in the nozzle, and it'll come together beautifully, and you will get that tone right there. So we have this one. The next one, it is the cutest name. It is called Sunny Side Up. It's a new colorings, and guys, look at this exquisite, creamy, gorgeous golden yellow tone right here. And then next I have blue jeans. This looks super deep in the bottle. When it dries, it is glorious. It is a Vibes. All right, and once again, just give it a nice little roll to get those colors moving. Then I have Peaches and Cream, which is a Shimmerz. A Shimmerz already comes with liquid in the little pot, and you just give it a nice little stir, and all of that sparkly goodness comes together. It's exquisite. And then finally in the color kits, we have one called Piggy Pink, which I think is a perfect name. It's a creamies, which means you just have to give it a couple little squirts of water and it activates it, just like you would any watercolor. Gorgeous color called Piggy Pink. Look at that pearly shine. Yes, yes, yes. And then, since this is right here, this one is called Luck O' the Irish, which is perfect timing. It is part of the bonus bundle. So it is a creamies as well. That's what it looks like dry. You go ahead and add some water to activate it, like any watercolor, and there you go. Gorgeous color palette. The other part of the bonus bundle is this beautiful sequins mix, guys. There are like little, guys, how do I show you? Hold on, let me get a little tray out, because you've got to see these little tiny florals that are in here. They're like, guys, what were they called? Let me see if I can get a couple. They are literally perfection. They've got a tiny bit of dimension to them, and they are beautiful. Anywho, and then we've got, the iridescent little tones. We have some blue, some pink, some little like floral sequins in there. We've got slightly bigger ones. I'm going to put it right there. Do you see that? So cute. So I'm gonna have a ball with these. I love when our sequins have things in them, like things, because they become like you have your sequins going, but these bits become like enamel dots or like these textural elements, which are exquisite. Okay, there's my carrying on at rather great length. Let me go ahead and put my color kits in its little house for the month. That's how I like to store it. So I have it on my desk and I can create with it all month and see all the pretties. All right, I just knocked my little sequins. All right, let me show you the paper kits. Make sure I have enough room because we have lots of glorious things to share. All right, my first piece, it is a lovely, lovely blue. There's gradations of saturation. So if I do it like this, it's kind of darker around here and it's lighter through here. How pretty. So pretty. And then the back side, it is a repeating floral pattern. Totally is vibing like wallpaper to me. Really, really pale, kind of like this peaches and cream color background to it. Super pretty. Great. The next piece, it's got a bold flare. So we've got that peaches and cream background again with bold black and floral clusters, which are so cute. And then the back side, it's a fabulous, it's kind of these two colors, the peaches and cream and the piggy pink in a
tighter gingham. Next we have this, and it's got these great scallops, and inside the scallops, they actually look like rainbows. Inside the scallops are gorgeous little florals. And the flip side, it is a great, like, kind of, see, this is a white desk, kind of a peaches and cream, like, but so pretty and light with black dot. Then we've got this fun floral. We've, once again have that almondy or light peaches and cream background with this fan flower that is super pretty. And then the flip side, oh wow, that is a piggy pink. That is a piggy pink. Oh wow, sorry, I'm taking a moment to look at the wood grain. That was beautiful, bummer. Super gorgeous wood grain. Now we have got a sunny side up tight gingham. Gingham is quite similar in size to this one. And then the back side, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous black and peaches and cream stripe. We have another black and peaches and cream stripe, except this is this one looks painty too, but this is wider, and then the in-between bit also has polka dots. Grabbing the polka dots from here. And then the back side, oh, they're very tight, little sweet florals. Guys, that would be so cute to cut the cut file from. Next, we have a repeating bicycle design. We have got little florals in there, super sweet, bringing in a lot more of the blue tones. Then the flip side, this is truly piggy pink with a bit more of a peaches and cream in between. A nice kind of wonky stripe with polka dots. All right, so we have a diagonal stripe, which is my very favorite stripe, with lots of the colors in the paper kits. Love it. I know I'll be matting a layout with it. And then the flip side, ooh, I'm gonna really have to do some double duty for what I want to do. Way excited. We have a brick pattern, so I will go ahead and cut out the outside for a layout, and then on the inside I will use some of the brick pattern. Super excited. Oh, my favorite piece so far. And then we have got this sweet little tight floral, kind of wonky flowers. I like that they're not perfect. And then the flip side, it is a gorgeous blue jeans gingham. Super cute. Now, let's see. I have a little bin here with embellishments. We have got our stickers. So this reads, hello, April. April showers bring May flowers. Spring has sprung. Oh, a cute little snail. We've got a pretty little ladybug, and these look kind of like hunter boots, but rain boots. A ducky. We have this. Oh, a little set of cherries. Cute. And then for our dots, we've got this gorgeous floral. That's super cute. A big round bumblebee and hello, spring. We've got a nice little cut apart with good wordy bits, and they repeat on each side. A bloom, blissful, blossoming, picture perfect, bountiful. Efflorescent. Ooh, efflorescent. Okay. A bloom, blissful, blossoming. I like these ones that have the lowercase font to start. And then it repeats again. Super cute. Now, guys, die cut extravaganza. So I'm going to try to get them into my hand so I can show you up close the pretties. And I don't know how well it'll work. So let's see. In my bin, I have the cutest little dragonfly and a little leaf. Cute. Cute, cute. Oh, I've got a big round tree. A gorgeous bright tangerine floral. I love that. Oh, I love that. Okay, we need this paint color. We need that paint color right there. Wait, I'm gonna get my cut file really quick. Yeah, in Color Splash, we need that paint color. I've decided. Oh my gosh, that'd be so pretty. Okay, then we've got a little vase of flowers. Oh, a chonky frog. Cute. Really pretty pink floral. Oh my goodness, come here. Look at this little booty with a hat. Cute. We have got a bright colored sun, some little leaves. There's a number of little leaves in here that you can tuck behind your flowers. How cute. Together is better. We have got a nice bouquet, hot air balloon, Cute. Oh, we have 3. Guys, I have a really good picture of a hot air balloon. Interesting. Although I love them on like happy and inspirational layouts as well. So I can put a hot air balloon on anything. Cute little tree. More leafy bits. Oh, we've got a bumblebee with some twirly bits. Nice little leaf. We have got this piece here, which is a nice bicycle with florals. Ooh, then a nice stack of florals. Look at the centers have detailing. Cute. Ooh, gorgeous blue. A pale yellow. A yellow with a bit more oomph. A tiny bit of orange in the center. Leafy bits. Pale blue floral. A cute tree. Oh my gosh, look at this birdhouse with the little birdie. Looks like he's stuck the landing. And then a bird. Leafy bits. Florally bits. More leaves. Oh, a little dragonfly. Then we have leafy bits here and this, come on. Oh, I hear a military helicopter. Happiness. Perfect. We have got this nice fun tree. Ooh, cute little floral border. Leafy bit, so much fun. Silly bumblebee. I have got a sweet little birdhouse. A little round circle with florals. A little more florals. Cute little leafy bits. Aw, sweet froggy. A bumblebee and a floral. And then, guys, what didn't I show you? Oh, I had to show you the cut file. Now, I cut out the cut file twice, resized it. There was a piece here that I decided not to cut out because I was really going to be concentrating on the florals, but it's a little bit bigger. It looked like these really cute trees. So in retrospect, I should have cut it out separately and did a whole forest of them, which I will do. Okay, and I just went ahead and cut them on some mixed media paper, and I'll be painting right on this for my first layout. All right, guys, that's what I have for the Color Kits collections for April 2024. Guys, when you put in your order, put my name in the comments to score yourself a freebie, which also lets them know that I sent you, which is like a win-win. Okay, guys, that's what I have for you. I will have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits, the blog, as well as the Facebook group, so you can come see what everybody's up to, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.